What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to this POV Drive by RevLimit. My name is Devu. Today we are taking a look at the 2023 model Kia Sorento LX. This variant comes with a 2.5-litre turbo petrol engine, produces 191 horsepower at 245 Nm torque with an 8-speed gearbox. These are the 17-inch stock alloys 235/65 R17. Coming to the boot, you get 616 litres with 5 seats in place. Also here you get third row AC vents with controls. Let's check out the back row seat. I have plenty of space, good amount of legroom and headroom. The seat can be adjusted forward or back plus reclining. Drive mode selector, choose between comfort, eco, sport and smart. LX variant comes with 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Adjustable tilt and telescopic steering column. Let's begin the POV test drive. I'll just mention some pros and cons that I personally think of the car. First of all, the pros. Interior build quality is really impressive and the car comes with a lot of standard features plus practical spacious interior. The cons, I think the gearbox can sometimes be rough, also the ride is a bit firm and they are no longer cheaper to buy in the UK, price starting at around £50,000. This is my second POV drive in Dubai. I have one more Dubai POV coming up after this, which is also a Kia, very popular model in the UK. Wait till next week to find out. After that, I'll be back to UK content. So I've been doing this channel for about 6 months now, on and off, but within the last few months I've been consistently uploading once every week. So please do comment your feedback below, which will really help me out to improve. And thank you everyone for your support. For those that are new, I've done an intro clip. I'll leave a link below in the description. Go check it out. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.